Unlocking the meaning of jet speed in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the exciting world of English expressions and phrases. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, jet speed. So, fasten your seatbelts, because we are about to take off and learn it, well, jet speed. When we say jet speed, we are referring to something that is extremely fast. Jets are known for their incredible velocity, traveling through the sky much faster than cars or even bullets. In English, when we compare something to jet speed, we're saying it's happening or moving very quickly. It's a metaphorical way to emphasize speed and efficiency. You might use the phrase jet speed in everyday conversations when talking about completing tasks. She finished the report at jet speed. Internet connection. This new provider offers jet speed internet. Delivery services. Our courier delivers packages at jet speed. Remember, it's a phrase best used in informal contexts or when you want to add a bit of flair to your description of something swift. Let's see how jet speed can be incorporated into sentences. The new software compiles data at jet speed, saving us hours of work. After the new train lines were installed, commuters could travel at jet speed compared to before. I expect this task to be done at jet speed. We can't afford any delays. Using the phrase in various sentences like these helps listeners understand that the term signifies more than just speed. It's about being remarkably fast and impressive. While jet speed suggests something positive, like efficiency, it's important to note that doing something at jet speed is not always good. Sometimes, if a task requires careful attention, doing it at jet speed might imply haste and a lack of thoroughness. Thank you for flying with us through the meaning of jet speed today. We hope this has helped you understand how to use the phrase in different contexts and when it's appropriate to do so. Until our next linguistic journey, keep practicing, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Safe travels on your language learning adventure.